I'm going to show you a demo of a new feature called Cache Read Reserve, which sets aside a certain portion of our block cache for reads only to improve the user experience when the cache is completely filled up with dirty pages. So to begin, this is a Lucid mount point. I am going to fill the cache, and then I'm going to show you. We'll try to play a video file, and we expect the streaming not to work well because the prefetcher wouldn't have enough room in the cache to properly do its job. So, okay, one more time. Now cache is full, 4.5 gigs. Okay. Now the upload drops to the line speed. Now let's try to play a video here. Let's try this one. As you can see, it's not playing well at all. Okay, so what we're going to do next is I will remove these files. Wait for it to, okay, clean up, exit. We're going to start the Lucid daemon with the new feature. And login. Keep this on top. I'm going to copy that same file that I did before. So we'll take this one, move it to media a few times, copy paste, and now let's observe what happens to the cache size. The cache is going to cap at 4.5 gigs, whereas before it went all the way up to 5 gigs. The cache is still allowed to grow up to 5 gigabytes. However, the last 10% will be used only for reads. And so now if we try to run the same video file, but let's just position it somewhere else that hasn't been cached. Well, actually, yeah, nothing's cached because cache is full. You should see smooth video playing. Okay. All right, that's the demo. Thank you.